Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Well, today I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you should invest in the Huina 580. All right, let's get right into it. The one thing that I was looking for in a new RC excavator was, is it going to be metal or plastic? And the answer obviously is metal. Now, why is metal important? Well, everything is metal on this thing, except for this guy right here. This guy's plastic. So is this, and so are these hoses back here. So plastic, but metal, metal, metal. It's all metal. Now, the reason why I chose metal is because it's going to be more durable and it's going to be stronger too. So if you're looking to do some serious digging, you're going to want to look at the metal version of this because it does have the power to dig and push through that harder dirt. Now, there is a limit, but the strength of this means that it will not break as easily as the plastic version of this. And you can get the plastic version of this for probably $100, but go all metal if you can. If you can afford it, do it. Get the metal version. Now, number 2 is going to be about durability and strength. Now, this being all metal means it's going to be a lot more durable than a plastic version of this. The tracks here are much stronger. The gears in here are all made out of metal, so you're not going to get any stripping of the teeth. The bucket is going to be a lot stronger as far as handling material. It won't try to crack or break anywhere. The pins here are pretty strong as well, so you're not going to get any distortion from the pins. So yeah, we're going to get a lot more durability, and because it's all metal, it's going to have that strength that you need. All right, number 3, this one should be pretty simple because it is simple. This is an easy toy to use. The layout of the controller is simple. All the buttons and functions are there. They made this so that anybody can get into this hobby and start playing with an excavator, learn how to use it. So number 3, easy to use and tons of fun. I can't tell you how excited I get to get out there and start running this machine and create new scenarios and dig with it. So super fun and super simple. Reason number 4. Well, this thing comes fully complete. There's nothing to build, nothing to put together. This is not an almost ready to run. This is a full ready to run machine. Comes with a battery already. So you get a nice LiPo. It's a 2000 milliamp, 7.4 volt battery. Comes with a charger, so you can charge that thing, so you don't have to worry about how long it needs to charge. It'll charge, it'll give you a green light, say everything's good. Everything else comes with it. There's even a little bottle of liquid to put in so you can make your smoke. All the buckets and attachments come along with it, minus these 2 attachments that I have here. I've upgraded this piece, this extension here, and I've also put in the quick coupler that we'll talk about. That's an extra you can buy as well. I'll leave a link in the description about that quick coupler. And if you want this extension piece here to curl the bucket even more, I'll put a link into that as well. It's from Shapeways. It's a 3D printed part. So yeah, everything comes as is. All you got to do is charge that battery and put a couple AA in here, and you're ready to go, ready to run. Well, reason number 5, the biggest reason, probably the one reason you came to watch this, is that's great. How much does it cost? Because I don't have $10,000 to go and buy an RC excavator because they're so expensive. Well, I can tell you one thing. This thing didn't cost $10,000. It didn't cost $5,000, not $3,000, not even $1,000. It cost me $750 delivered to my house. That's right, customs and taxes and everything, $750. That's what it would cost to get all of this, even a nice container to package it in. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly and high-quality tool that you can play with, this RC excavator is the best choice you can go with. And if you are looking for where to get it, there's many places, but I put some links in the description here to go and get it. It's available on Amazon, Banggood, and AliExpress. So if you're looking to get it, go and get one. Worth every penny. Thanks, guys. And if you have a chance, leave a like and a comment if you have any questions about this. And of the most importance, please follow this channel if you really want to see more of this content.